This is a boat that came in that is absolutely full of milky stuff, and so the plugs are in, they haven't been pushed out any. There's one of the drain plugs. Manifold's not cracked. There's a drain right there. That manifold's not cracked. The freeze plugs are not pushed out. Funny thing is on this one, when you pull all the plugs, this little plug right there drains the manifold. So if you don't drain the manifold, if you drain the block, then there's a good chance the intake manifold is cracked and just dumping water into the oil passage. So if it was winterized by pulling the plugs and you miss that plug, the intake manifold is going to be cracked and it'll show up with water in the oil.